Greeting everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Dewi with study number 2502031495 from the International Relations Department. I am currently in my final year and expected to be graduate in 2025. In this session, I would like to present my research with the titles of ISIS propaganda on the internet and its impact on Indonesian public opinion on Twitter. View of Indonesian public opinion after the dissolution of radical organization. This research is running under supervised by Dr. Tia Mariato Kitia. I'm explaining the background of the study, followed by the abstract, followed by key points, framework, theoretical, and key findings. And I also will show you guys the video of sample on this research. In here, guys, you can see three main points, which is number one, the research is focused on analyzing public response to ISIS related content by applying sentiment analysis of categories online reaction into positive, neutral, and negative sentiments. Number two is highlights the prevailing public's perception of ISIS propaganda circulating on digital platform. The finding show that most of Indonesian users strongly reject ISIS narrative as indicated by a dominant negative sentiment across the dataset. Number three, the keywords of this research is terrorism, radicalization, ISIS, Indonesian social media, and sentiment analysis. Before that, this research spans the period from 2019 to 2024, specifically during Jokowi's second terms. 2015 LSI survey state that 86% of Indonesians are concerned that Indonesia is becoming a target of ISIS. Why? Because ISIS use social media, online propaganda, and local affiliate groups to recruit members. Did you guys know that in 2016, over 10 million Indonesians expressed support for ISIS online? Here's the answer. According to BNPT, National Counterterrorism Agency, more than 500 Indonesian citizens have joined ISIS. Between 2014 and 2015, more than 119,000 Twitter accounts and now X generate 18.62 million tweets with 22,000 accounts being part of ISIS online extremist community. Other question, if you guys wondering the theories that this research use that align with the way ISIS use strategic messaging to shape public opinion through online platform. Here 4 categories, but guess which one this research choose? Here the answer. The answer of the question is C. The writer used Edward Bernays theory of propaganda. Why? Because it provides a strong framework for understanding how public opinion can be systematically shaped through communication strategies, especially in complex democratic. Bernays' ideas such as engineering consent, the use of symbols and emotional messaging, and the role of the mass media as a vessel of shaping narratives align closely with how ISIS spreads its propaganda through social media and international news. His theories helps explain how ISIS manipulate public perception and seeks legitimacy, particularly in countries like Indonesia with large Muslim population. By applying Bennett's framework, the research is able to critically analyze ISIS strategic communication technique and reveal how propaganda influence attitudes even in subtle or indirectly ways. And now we're going to take a brief look at some example of propaganda found on Twitter, YouTube, and international news outlets. So that's the video of propaganda example in Twitter, YouTube, and international news outlets. I'm sorry guys if you can hear the sound, but I will drop the link of this presentation on the description so you guys can see full of the video with sound. On that video clips highlight how propaganda appears across YouTube, Twitter, and international news outlets, each contributing indirectly to the spread of ISIS-related content on social media. And if you guys wondering if there are any unexpected result in how user engage with ISIS content online, here I am. I'm going to summarize the result into 4 points. First point is a significant 67.6% of online comments show a clear rejection of ISIS propaganda, which categorized by a positive sentiment. The second one, only 12.8% of comments express support for ISIS, but this minority still poses a serious risk for radicalization. And the third one is neutral sentiment, made up 19.6% of the data, suggesting a portion of the public remains disengaged or undecided. And the last one is, despite ISIS territorial collapse, its ideological remains active and adaptable online, highlighting the ongoing threat in digital space. So guys, I think that's all from me from the presentation. Thank you for watching.